Hello friends, welcome to my channel All Web Solution. Now I will show you how we can make this logo shrink when scrolling by custom JS. At first you have to take a at first you have to take set a custom CSS on this logo. Here is my logo. I will set a custom CSS here. Now I will publish it. Now I will write custom code here at JS code. Okay. Now I will give a title. You will set this code here. Uh, in normally logo style wide the default size. This is the default size, 18%. And after scrolling it will turn into 80 pixels. Okay, now let's publish it. Okay, now reload this page. Now scroll, you can see it's scrolling. That's it. Thank you.